Alexa, I hear there's a new class at the high school.
Yes, there is a new class for seniors called Drones in Flight. There are no prerequisites.
That's interesting. Why are we starting a class on drones?
The drone industry is expected to grow by over 100,000 new jobs by 2025 with over $81 billion added to the U.S. economy.
Wow, that's impressive. Tell me a little bit more about the course.
The class will start out learning about the principles of flight. There will also be an activity in glider construction, and the students will learn about the types of drones and the terminology used in the drone industry. Students will also have the opportunity to design and 3D print drone parts, or may even make their own drones. And kittens.
Wait a second, Alexa. I think you're getting a little off topic.
Oh, I'm sorry. I like kittens.
So tell me more about the drone class.
The students will also learn about careers in the drone industry and how drones are built.
Sounds great, Alexa. Drones can be hard to fly and can be a safety concern. Will the class cover that as well?
Since safety is the biggest concern when flying drones, students will study the FAA guidelines for drone safety and learn to operate them correctly, not like these students.
It's gonna crash.
Those kids look pretty dangerous. Do you need a special license to fly a drone commercially?
Yes, in fact, students that take this drone course will be prepared to take the FAA Remote Airman certification if they want to fly commercially.
Wow, that's great, Alexa. It's almost like an AP class. I imagine the class may be pretty popular. What will I need to do to get into it?
Sign up for the Drones in Flight course during course selection time. To have a better shot at getting into the course, stop by guidance or see a tech ed teacher for a short survey. Return the survey to guidance by the deadline on the sheet.
Thanks, Alexa. Now show me cute kitten videos.